How to send video with high quality on WhatsApp. Hey guys, in this video I will show you step by step on how to send a video without losing quality on WhatsApp. First of all, go to your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, go and open the person that you want to send him the video. So tap on this little icon beside the camera icon, this one. So now instead of tapping on this gallery, just tap on this document. So tap on this browse document. So by tapping on this browse document, tap on this video section. So now it will gives you all the videos on your phone. So now all you have to do is just go and select the video and send the video as file. So now I'll just go and select the video. I'll just send this video now. After you select the video, all you have to do is tap on this send. So now as you can see, by sending this video, as you can see, now the person will receive the video like file. But if he downloaded the video will open on his phone with its full quality without losing any quality. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and ask question in the comments. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.